Hey, what's going on? Gary here. I just wanted to give an honest review of Russell Brunson's book, Expert Secrets. I sent a few emails to my email list recommending this book, and a few people responded saying, what's in the book, why I recommend it to online marketers. So I want to share with you all this and more. Now, before I dive into the details, I will share there's going to be a link directly below where you can actually get taken to this page here. And then all you have to do to get access to this book is click here. Okay, it's actually totally free. You just pay shipping and you can get the hard copy book in the mail. Okay, so you would just fill out your information here and then claim that. Okay, so if you're actually in the United States, it'll be about $9.95. If you're international, it'll be $19.95 to actually get that book. Okay, now what is Expert Secrets? Well, first off, if you don't know the writer Russell Brunson, okay, that's what you first need to understand, because this guy is a multiple 8-figure online earner and he's been doing this for years. Okay, now one thing most people love about Russell Brunson is his ability to break complex things into very simple ideas that almost anyone can understand. Okay, even a kid could kind of understand it, and that's how the book is written. It's not this complicated techno babble where you have to know all these terms and have to be really good at sales to even understand the book. It's written incredibly simply. I'm actually going to share with you inside the book. I have a Kindle on my PC, my computer, and I have the book on Kindle as well, and I'm going to actually share with you some of the chapters so you can see what I mean. But the book is filled with diagrams, okay, very simple, almost cartoon-like diagrams that break down these complex funnels and systems into very simple understandings. Now, Russell Brunson is also the creator of ClickFunnels. Okay, so I did a video recently at the time of recording on ClickFunnels, which is basically a software that allows you to build funnels. So again, Russell Brunson knows what he's talking about. Okay, so what specifically is Expert Secrets? Because he has two other really popular books that I like. Okay, Traffic Secrets and .com Secrets, both of which I've purchased and went through. Expert Secrets is really all about how to build a tribe of people that know, like, and trust you. Maybe you've heard of the story that really you only need about 1,000 diehard customers, or diehard fans rather, to become a multimillionaire, right? Because if you just have 1,000 people that love you and you sell products to them, they will buy almost everything you sell them. Okay, so you don't need millions and millions of customers, millions and millions of fans. If you just get your dream customers, even just a group of those, and you keep marketing to those people over time, solving their problems, you can again make a fortune online. And that's really what he teaches. Okay, so he teaches you like this, for example, how to find your voice and give you the confidence to become a leader. Okay, how to build a movement of people whose lives you change. How to make this calling a career. Okay, so maybe you're working a 9-to-5 job and you want to go full-time from home and you want to create a successful long-term business. He tells you how to really attract your ideal customers and how to market to them in such a way that you're not really pitching, you're not putting people off, you're actually attracting them. Okay, he talks about the attractive character. Okay, how to build yourself as this attractive character that people just desperately want to buy from. And these are really the main categories or niches that this book is for. Okay, so if you're in coaching and consulting, this book's perfect for you. If you do e-commerce, network marketing, okay, blogging, affiliate marketing, all of these are incredibly relevant with this book. Okay, so now I want to go into the actual book a little bit right here. Okay, you can see I have this Kindle. This is Expert Secrets. Okay, now on the left you can see these different sections. There's 5 main sections. Okay, creating your mass movement, creating belief. Okay, how do you actually create belief in people? Your moral obligation, the actual funnels. Okay, and then what's next, right? So for example, section 1. Okay, and they have these different secrets, right? So I'll do the first one. Okay, so the first secret inside section 1 is the attractive character. Okay, so he says every great mass movement has a leader. It's easy to assume that some people are just born leaders. In my personal life, I'm pretty shy and reserved, but when I'm in my element, I'm speaking out about the topics I've mastered, I am able to lead. Okay, so he writes from the first person. He's very relatable. So when you read this, it's like a friend is just telling you this information. It's not, very complicated. He doesn't use big words. And you can see these little diagrams, okay? So this right here, growth, leads to contribution. And you can see that the student becomes the expert, right? And again, as long as you even just remember what these little diagrams mean, you're going to be successful. And they're very simple, okay? So again, you can go through, the three, and then he talks about the three markets, right? So there's health, wealth, relationships. Now, let's say I go to, section 2, creating belief. Okay, so this is all about, in this section, we shift focus to how you can create certain beliefs in the minds of your followers. Okay, so this is basically, he says belief creates the customer, belief creates results. So you have to get people to believe that what you're selling is going to really help them get from where they are to where they want to be. And this section literally breaks down, psychology and strategies on exactly how to do it. And again, it's very simple. You can see the epiphany bridge. Okay, so basically, you want to bridge the gap from where people are to where they want to be, and you do that through your marketing. The hero's 2 journeys, okay? The 3 secrets when it comes to creating beliefs in people. And then like section 4, which is really popular, this is the funnels. So he actually breaks down, different funnel types you can use as an online marketer to start to build your authority in the marketplace and start to make these sales, okay? So the perfect webinar model, they have the email epiphany funnel. Okay, so he talks about the soap opera sequence, and he tells you the exact emails to write in order to take people through a process and build that know, like, and trust, build that expert status in your niche, and really create a amazing income. Okay, so I don't want to go through much more because you can easily just pick up the book. It's totally free with just the price of shipping. Okay, so again, there's going to be a link directly below. All you have to do is go to that link. You can watch the overview video here. I've kind of given you the overview in this video. And all you have to do is click this button, put in your address, claim it, okay? In a very short period of time, that will arrive to your house or your apartment, wherever you live. And you can actually get the hard copy and start going through this book. It's absolutely incredible. Like I said, I've read it, at least twice, but I'm constantly going through and referencing it, okay? When I do a new product promotion or a new campaign, I'm going back through and refreshing my mindset, okay? So it's a manual, it's a guide you can keep going back to, and it's also entertaining, okay? He's very entertaining and funny, and you'll enjoy reading it, okay? So go down below. I hope you enjoyed this review of Expert Secrets. Be sure you subscribe with the bell icon, by the way, because I'm going to be doing more reviews on different tools and softwares when it comes to internet marketing. And until next time, my friend, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on my next review.